Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Further, I am here with the competitive question, Olympiad basis question based on geometry, totally geometry. Very interesting, बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ओलंपियाड बेसिस के लिए और उन सब बच्चों के लिए जो मैथ्स को बहुत पसंद करते हैं, ज्योमेट्री पसंद करते हैं, उन लोगों के लिए. Very nice question. We have to find the value of x. This is a semicircle with center O. AB is the diameter. This is the point of intersection. AD is the chord and CB is the chord. Both are intersecting at point. This, let us name it as P. This is P. Let us suppose this is P. And this is also the point of intersection. Now we have to find the value of x. Only these two angles are given to us. How we can do it? Okay. Somehow, how we can find it? So first of all, let us see the formula. How we can find it? This x will be equal to this x. Okay, correct. And this is known to us. So we can find this also because this is 110. ये 110 है. This will be equal to 70. Okay, 70. It means this angle will be equal to what? 88, 90, what? 180 minus 88. That is 92. This will be equal to 92. Correct? And hence this will be also 92. Now it is very easy. It will be very easy to find x if this angle is known to us. So our aim should be to find the value of this angle x. How we can find it? Again, we can find it because this is the radius of the semicircle and this is also the radius of the semicircle and this is 110. It means this angle plus this angle, the addition of these two will be equal to 70 and they will both be equal to, ये बराबर भी होंगे, they both will be equal to. It means because this is the triangle in which this is R and this is R, this is 110, then this angle will be equal to 35 and this angle will be equal to 35. Now in this triangle this angle will be equal to 35. This is 35. Correct? And this will be also 35. Now in this triangle, now let us see the triangle CEP. This is 35, this is 92. In triangle CEP, this is, you can draw here. This was the point P, this was X. This was 35 and this was 92. So X will be equal to 180 minus 35 plus 92. That is 92, yes, 92. Okay, this is equal to 180 minus 7 and 127. It is equal to 3, 5, 3, 10, 53. X will be equal to 53. This is answer. I am going to repeat it again. मैं दोबारा रिवाइज इसलिए करती हूँ कि बच्चों को रिवीजन हो जाए, समझ में आ जाए. फिर से शुरू करेंगे. लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. ये x कोण निकालना था, इसके लिए ये इसका पता होना जरूरी था. ये क्योंकि फ्रंट के अपोजिट एंगल है, सो दैट वी कैन, this was the position, actual position was this. Okay, correct. This was given to us because in this triangle OCE, because this is radius, so this angle will be equal to this. It means this is 110, so this will be 70 by 2, that is 35. Each angle will be equal to 35. Okay, this angle will become 35. Correct? अब now what we can do, अब हम क्या करें, ये वाला एंगल x मान ले और एक ट्रायंगल, ये तो x निकालना है भाई, क्योंकि इसके बराबर है, ये निकाल लेंगे तो ये निकालेंगे, बात एक ही है। किसी तरह ये एंगल पता होना चाहिए, ये एंगल हम इसकी सहायता से निकाल सकते हैं, इस ट्रायंगल से, क्योंकि ये 110 है, इट विल बी what 70. Okay, then 70 and then 18, 88 हुआ, it means this remaining portion will be equal to 92, and ये 92 है तो ये भी 92 होगा. Okay, opposite angle है, then it is 92, it is 35, it is x, it means 92 plus 35 plus x, it will be equal to 180, because they are the triangle, in this triangle CEP, the addition of all the three triangles should be 0. So x will be equal to, this is equal to 127 plus x is equal to 180, and x will be equal to 180 minus 127, that is 53. This is simply the answer. ये मैंने बहुत आसान तरीके से बताया है. It is very easy and it is very understandable for class 10th too, because it is the competitive question, Olympiad based question asked. कठिन है, लोग दूसरी तरीके से पालते हैं, दैट इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस. ये बहुत आसान अच्छा तरीका है. प्लीज लर्न इट एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब मी. वेट फॉर अनदर एक्साइटिंग वीडियो.